Okay, this video is going to look at how to factorise a quadratic of the form x squared minus another number, which is a square number here. So we have a term in x squared and we have what we call a constant term, and that's all. We don't have the additional term here with an x, okay? It's just x squared and a constant, okay? And also, important, a minus sign here. And this is a specific type of quadratic. It's called the difference of two squares, because this is a square, it's x squared, this is a square number, it's 7 squared is 49, and this means is another word for difference, subtraction. So it's the difference of two squares, square, square. And when we have that criteria, a square, and the subtraction sign in the middle, then we can straight away do our factorization quite simply. We square root the x squared, so we have an x in both brackets. We square root 49. The square root of 49 is 7, or minus 7, but in this case we got a 7 positive and a 7 negative, because there are two answers when we square root 49. One is positive, one is negative. So in each we have, and this is always the same, we have the x that relates to this, we square root this number, and we have a positive version of it here, a negative version of it here. And if we tried to expand this, just to check, x and a 7, x and a minus 7, x times x is x squared, x times minus 7 is minus 7x, 7 times x is 7x, 7 times minus 7 is minus 49. Now the 7x and the minus 7x, they cancel. That's why we're just left with x squared minus 49. So when we have the criteria meeting that we've got a square and a square with a subtraction sign in the middle, meaning difference, we have the difference of two squares, and it's very easy to factorize.